Hi, hello, welcome, good day. This is Chokkalingam, Director Prakala Wealth Private Limited. We are authorized AMFI registered mutual fund distributor. Our ARN is 49705. Today I am going to discuss with you the details of a NFO new fund offer in the SIF category, Specialized Investment Fund category. So the Edelweiss Fund House, its SIF brand is called Altiva. So they are coming out. Altiva is coming out with the Equity EX-Top 100 Long-Short Fund, and the NFO date is from 18th May. It opens on 18th May 2026 and closes on 1st June 2026. Altiva already has a hybrid long-short fund. They have one SIF already. Now they are coming out with the second in the X-Top 100 category, which is basically small and mid-cap category. The first fund, hybrid fund of Altiva, has done well. The performance is good, and it has garnered more than 3,000 crores of assets as we speak. So, in the the X-Top 100 SIF categories should hold minimum of 65% in small and mid-cap stocks. You all know that SIF offers the advantage of both kind of PMS or AIF as well as mutual funds. So the taxation is similar to mutual fund, that is a great advantage, whereas the portfolio is similar to PMS, and at the same time the shorting ideas, even in PMS you cannot do, the shortings of AIF is also offered here. So it is best of all worlds, mutual fund, PMS and AIF. These three things combined together is your SIF. That's what I can say. This X-Top 100 SIF is going to, long short fund is going to invest in multiple sectors, in multiple industries that are not present in the top 100 category. So, it will invest in those categories as well. Particularly in top 100, there are not many sectors available. So here you have that option. In small and mid cap, you have that option. SMID, as you all know, is a breeding ground for multi-baggers. So India is one of the top multi-bagger countries in the last 5 years. You can see somewhere in the presentation. The link for the presentation is given in the description box. So in the last 5 years, in large caps, we had 13 multi-baggers, whereas in the mid cap we had 47 multi-baggers. At the same time, in small cap we had 138 multi-baggers. So you know the power of small and mid cap now. More than, of course, large cap offers stability. However, small and mid cap offers high growth with high risk. And why Edelweiss or the Altiva is coming out with the X-Top 100 fund right now? Mainly, they feel that the recent correction in SMID category, small and mid cap category, has brought many stocks off their 52-week highs. They are trading at a discounted price. That's what they find, that this valuation is very attractive to pick their conviction ideas. As you know, in somewhere around July 2024, the PE, price earnings multiple for a SMID category was 38.6 versus 32.2 right now, in April. So there is a discount to the PE. Of course, market has taken a breather, we all know, due to many reasons, trade war and then this Iran war, all those things. And how about the risk level? Risk level will be between mid cap and small cap, and the returns will be mid cap plus returns. That's what Edelweiss or Altiva is targeting. So Altiva is saying that they are going to hold high conviction ideas of 35 to 45 stocks. That's all. They are not going to hold 100 or 150 stocks as some of the mutual funds with the larger AUM have done. So they are not going to do that. And the allocation to SMID, small and mid cap category, will be between 90 and 100%. So they are going to keep a minimum of 90%. That's what they say. Although it is enough for them to hold a minimum of 65%. They are going completely up to 90% in small and mid cap. So high risk, high reward. And Edelweiss has a decent experience in small and mid cap category. Their small cap funds, mid cap funds, and many of their funds are doing well, and they have a coverage of 350 plus companies in their research team, over 20 plus sectors, more than 20 sectors, and with the PMS like portfolio, one should expect a good return, over a period of time. Generally, I would say people with a time horizon of 7+ years would be better off, in this particular fund, small and mid cap EX-Top 100 fund in this category particularly. And details about the fund, daily redemption is available, and growth and IDCW options both are available. Exit load is 0.50% if you redeem within 90 days. Above 90 days, no exit load. Minimum investment, as you know, is 10 lakhs. If you are already an investor in Altiva Hybrid Long-Short Fund, then you can invest as low as 1,000 rupees and above that. Lump sum, SIP, STP, SWP, all facilities are available like a regular mutual fund. The minimum for SIP, STP, SWP is 1,000 rupees once you put 10 lakh rupees. So that is the detail about this offering. SIF is being distributed by only a handful of distributors all over the India. Number of distributors when compared with mutual funds are low for SIF. Prakala Wealth is one of the distributors for SIF. So if you have any questions, you want to know further, you want to have details about this offering, please feel free to call us in the numbers given in the description or email us. We would be glad to help you. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.